oats, get the supplement, get the nuts, get the nothing made, blame it up,
Yeah, people, today we are doing some power punch. Yeah, man, power punch. We have peanut, nutmeg, Irish mash, more Irish mash. We have sapogen, tin milk, Fosca, great Fosca oats, and some okra. So I'm actually gonna boil the okra and then blend them with all of this, believe me. Alright, as I'm gonna say, we're gonna boil the okra. Just give them a quick wash. Give them a quick wash and just bust off the two end them. Yep, so you just cut off the top and the bottom. Yep. Make sure you wash them. Let's put this to boil now. Make them boil for at least for 10 minutes. Make them cool it and then blend it. Okay, them boiling now. They are cool for a minute. And I'm actually gonna use this water to blend it. But just like a pour the water with them in the blender. As soon as it cool. Alright, so I'm gonna pour in the okra. I get the okra one blend and then add the rest of the stuff into it. So this is the okra by itself. This is the first blend too. And believe me, you won't really taste the okra in it like that. The Irish mash and the sapogen and the vanilla and the nutmeg I could like take away the taste of the okra. Yeah, so you definitely won't really taste the okra. Alright, so and then we have raw peanuts. Yeah man, not roast or anything, raw. Go ahead and wash them real quick. Double wash. Alright. Add some of the peanut. Now blend now. Yeah, that's supposed to be good. This by itself a trouble. This is actually just peanut and okra. So I'm gonna pour out some of this, then add some oats and add some water to this, some liquid. Okay, I'm gonna try to blend the oats with it, a bit too much. Yeah man, but this by itself right now, trouble.
It build all the sperm count. Have your wood stiff like a chair foot. You see, them can't keep all party on it.
Alright, so I'm actually gonna pour, you know, a sausage and an Irish mash. God, it's too thick already for the blender. So still have peanut and okra. I'm actually have to pour out some. I'm gonna add the oats now so the oats can blend. After everything blend, I'm gonna just add one big mix in this. These are the oats, the peanut, and the okra. Everything's supposed to well smooth, you know. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add the Guinness, the sausage and the Irish mash and the milk and the nutmeg and the vanilla and liquor salt and I said speed some nutmeg. Alright. So we take well thick. Alright, so throwing some Irish mash. Yeah, then I gotta take out the okra taste. Make it creamy too. So I'm actually put 3 Irish mash. I already add one more of them here. So this one actually watery and this one is way more thicker. Put about 3 Guinness in there. You know, take a swell so. Add some vanilla. This is about some salt. So salt give it a little flavor. Yeah, so the salt is almost the salt make your belly run. You know, comforting cup it actually have a cutter. I just used doing that. I actually have a cutter channel. Creamy and nice. The nutmeg. Flavor it up. Yeah, you can't go on a work and pop them. You have to beat smoke out there, you see me? Yeah, man, rounds and knockings. If you used to go for 5 minutes, this will add on a little 10 on it. So you can't go for 15. So if you used to go for 15, add on a 10 on it, 25 minutes you're gone. And I say go up, you see me? Believe me. Natural. No Viagra. And one just actually have a jug, so I'm gonna put it in a jug and I'll put it in the fridge. Make it get cool. That is it. That is it. I think I'll put one more Guinness in this still. Yep, so this is okra with okra peanut and oats with Guinness, sapogen, tin milk, vanilla, all of that.